Most people confuse hackers as cyber pirates, who are intended to steal private information for malicious purposes. However, this definition is poorly employed, since this meaning should be attributed to the crackers who perform said act. A hacker or ethical hacker does not use the knowledge for him with the purpose of causing harm. He looks for being a support to prevent theft in cyberspace. An ethical hacker is a person with skills in computer science. He uses his knowledge to identify the weaknesses and failures of a system. Once he has finished with the test, he makes a report in which he provides solutions and recommendations that guarantee the cybersecurity of a company. The process of a tax test is a practice that has been used for a long time to audit the security of the applications and the network of the organizations. What is the importance of the job of an ethical hacker? Having the knowledge of an ethical hacker to reinforce the security of your system is very important. There are some points we present. It reinforces the system to cyber attacks. Hiring the services of an ethical hacker allows you to locate failures and reinforce important points in the security system. Also, you achieve a better strategy before possible cyber attacks produced by a cracker. It protects personal information from customers. By having the evaluation of an ethical hacker, he provides protection to the confidential information of customers, partners, shareholders, etc., avoiding you from being a victim of information theft in the future. It improves a reputation and image. Having the evaluation of an expert in the prevention of cyber attacks allows to create better image and reputation. Customers will have greater confidence when having your company's services.